Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to install Joomla uh, in your local PC or local host, or it can be used as intranet. So, and then after installations of Joomla, we will also try to install an extensions on how to use or how to install extensions in Joomla 4. So, uh, we will use the latest version in this tutorial. This is tutorial is very is for basic installation of Joomla 4 in your local PC local host. So I will show you how. So first, we need some tools in order for us to run a website. So first one is we need XAMPP to do this one. So in XAMPP, you can go to apache-friends.org/download. Then you can choose uh, which XAMPP version do you like to install when it comes to your operating system. So right now, I'm using Windows 7. So uh, I'll choose this version. So you can click also here more downloads if you want to use a lower version. But in this video, I already prepare and do my download earlier. So I choose the version 7.329, this version. Oh, excuse for this error. I just close this one. Then after installation, after download, you need to install it, and then after you install it, it's wizard installation. So you just click next, and then once you finish the installations, you will get this control panel. So this exam, this is what you need if you run a website that running through a browser. So for this Joomla 4 basic tutorial on how to install in local host or local PC, we will not using all of this module right here, but what we need for the local host is just the Apache and MySQL. So once you finish the download and you install everything, it the last window that you will get is this XAMPP control panel. So you will see this in your window. That means to say you have completed the installations of XAMPP. All right. So let's get back for this in a while, and the next thing we do is we need to download the latest Joomla 4 in joomla.org. So what is this? Yeah. So I'll just minimize this for a while, and let's come back to this later on. So all right, then we go to joomla.org. Here's the website, and you can download the latest version through this link or this link, but this one is the latest Joomla 4, so we can see it also from our end. So yeah, so this is the latest Joomla 4. This was released, I think, 3 days ago. So let's try to download this one, and let's install it in our local host. Then we can explore the new versions of Joomla 4, because we'll be installing an extension as well. So just to show how to install the extension and how it works in Joomla 4. So if you click download, this link right here, there are two options. The first one is the upgrade packages. We don't need this one because we are starting the basic Joomla 4, so we did not upgrade anything. So we can choose this one. So let's click this one. All right. So then after clicking this one, it will goes through this one here. So this is my uh, download earlier. So I already prepared to download this one. So this is the Joomla 4 stable version package. So I have already unzipped this one. And so the next thing we do is we need to once you finish the download, the zip file, you need to unzip it. So this one is the whole file of Joomla 4. So we can copy this everything. All right, copy, and we go to our drive C. Since when we install the XAMPP here, uh, we need to run these Joomla files into the htdocs folder. So I will show you how. So go to your drive C and then XAMPP. This is uh, the applications that we need to run to a browser, any program you need. So you can use either WordPress, Joomla, .NET Nock, or whatsoever CMS. So yeah, so I'll go there. Then I'll put a new folder here, and I will call this Joomla 4. Joomla 4. All right. Then I click Joomla 4. Then I'll paste the one that we download in Joomla.org, the Joomla 4, the extracted one. So let's paste it from here. So let's see how many minutes it will take. Mm, So while we are waiting for that one, we can go to our XAMPP, the one that I mentioned earlier, the control panel. So what we need, I'll just move this window right here so that we can see if it was done copying to our folder Joomla 4. So what we need for this module is we need the Apache. This is we can click start to this one, and we need also MySQL for our database. So yep. So once it will become green, that means to say this module can is start working on your local PC or local computer, local host, or if you use this as a server in your intranet, then that means to say it was working as well. So now you can see it's all green, so that means to say it's running fully in our local PC. So what we will do, Joomla website needs database. So we need to create a database for this one. So in order for us to create a database, we just click this tab or button. This is admin here. And it will go to our admin. Where is it? hmm Take some time. It's okay because we have not yet finished as well the extracting of our downloaded Joomla file. Alright, so now it's almost done. We can see here some files already. We can minimize this for a while because we need to create a database for our Joomla. So this is the PHP admin. This is the one when I click this button, it goes to a browser, localhost PHP my admin. So now we will create a new database for our Joomla 4. So let's these are database, but this is a default database for the XAMPP. So we need to create a new one. Let's click new. So let's call our database Joomla 4. Oh, so and then let's click create. All right. So database Joomla 4 was already added. Then this is the Joomla 4. Now let's go back to our file here in localhost. It says 12 minutes remaining. So now we do have already a database for our Joomla. While we are waiting for the 12 minutes, I will explain to you what will be next for us to install Joomla. So after we install Joomla, uh, we can explore together the Joomla 4 since it's the newest version in Joomla, and we will try to add some extension on it. So let's try how to add extensions in a new Joomla 4. Mhm. So it was taking some time. Now it says 10 minutes. Okay. So let me explain some other things here in our XAMPP. Well, we need this FileZilla if you want your server localhost to be connected to FTP. But since we're just doing this for uh, intranet or localhost, or if you want some testing only in on how to build the Joomla 4 website, then we don't need this one to start up. Uh, so these modules we don't need it for now, but maybe uh, in other projects we can use this one. But let's focus more on here Apache and MySQL. Right. So this is the things that we need for us to run the Joomla. Let's go back here. I will show you uh, the database. As you can see, the one that we have created is totally empty. It's just the name of the database. Later on, it will build some tables right here for the basic Joomla website. So, uh, yeah. So, let's see how many minutes more. 7 minutes more. So, while we are waiting for 7 minutes, what I will do is I will try to install our extension. So you can find these extensions. You can go to extensions.joomla.org and you can choose extensions from there. But this is our latest Joomla module. If you can see, it's M right here. It's module. We have created this quite some time already, about last year, and uh, we have updated this to Joomla 4. So uh, we need to install this later on so that we can see how it works in Joomla 4. So you will find more of our extensions right here, and let's try. If you click download right here, it will goes to our main website. So this is a paid extensions. Uh, so right now it's in promo. It's $14.99. So and it will be valid until 17 hours. So in these modules, we will try to change the background of of your Joomla. Well, you can code it from your end, but if you want to make it quick, faster, and easier, then you can get this in our website. Uh, Not only you can upload images, but you can also use HTML color picker. So I'll just click this image to zoom. So it's a responsive. Well, Joomla is a responsive, but we adapt our uh, module to make it also responsive. So this is the backend of Joomla 4. Later on, we will go through this how we install this one. So in this, you can put the image as a background, or you can change color of a background. So it's quite straightforward to change. There's a HTML color picker, so no need to put well, you can put HTML code, but we put some picker to make it much more easier. So this is the latest Joomla 4, and this is the background that we have used. So we will try that later on. So okay, then let's go back to here. Let's see how many minutes. Whoa, it's taking some time than I have expected. Uh, Normally it should be copied around 5 minutes, but this 61.9 MB took us some time. It says remaining of 6 minutes, but yeah, let's just wait for that one. Let's go back here to Joomla. Uh, so Joomla has so many versions actually. While we are waiting to finish the copy of our downloaded version Joomla 4, we've been using Joomla since version 1.5. So it has maybe we've been using this for around 9 years already, or 8 years. So we know how it works, Joomla. The good thing about Joomla is it's totally free, and you can customize whatever you want, and you can build website easily. Uh, Later on in our next video, we will show you how to run a website that is ready made, so that it's easy for you to modify, edit, or change some colors. So we do have ready-made website made of Joomla, and then you can customize it whatever layouts you need. So later on, we will watch out for that video, and you can check our ready-made demo in our main website. Uh, let's come back to here. Now it's still 4 minutes. So our main website is uh, wedevelops.com. So you will find here our services, our client, or our shop. So we specialize in Joomla, OpenCart, development, and SEO functions. So you can also check our blogs and our YouTube videos if you want to learn more on how to make websites. All right. So let's check once again our copied files. 4 minutes. I should copy this earlier before we start. Uh, I don't know, it was taking so much time, but it's okay for the sake of uh, presenting on how this works. Then at least you know how to uh, copy this file from the joomla.org to your XAMPP application. So see, if you can see here, it was on my drive C, and then once you install the XAMPP, you will have some default SD docs. From the default SD docs, you can create whatever folder you called, but I just put it folder name Joomla 4 so that it's easy for us to identify that this demo that we are using is for Joomla 4. We're almost there. It's 2 minutes and 30 seconds. All right, now 2 minutes more. Hang on. Now we're 60 seconds. We're almost there. Sixty more seconds. Sixty more seconds. Looks like 5 minutes more. But oh no, now it's 30 seconds. We're almost finished to copy all files in Joomla file folder. Now 10 seconds more. 5 seconds. Ah, now it's done, right? So we have this uh, folder right now. So let's go back to our phpMyAdmin. So how we can access Joomla 4 in our browser is you just simply uh, delete this to make it simpler, and you type our folder name Joomla 4, then backslash. And then let's run it together. Mm-hmm. Take some couple minutes. So it depending on your machine actually. We have much quite more faster machine, so could be quite fast to load. All right, now we are here now. It's called Joomla 4 installer. So let's enter our site name. Let's say Joomla 4, and we can choose language English, and then set up a login. Uh, Admin for the enter, so I'll put admin, and then the username is also admin, and then the password I can put password 1 2 3 4 5. Hold on, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 for now, and we can call this at .com. It's info. Yeah. So let's connect now to our database. So we did not put any password when we create the XAMPP. So we just changed the name of our DB. Earlier we create a database name called Joomla 4, and then I just click install. Uh, oh, enter username. Just put root, and then click install. Now it's installing. Oh, there are some fields, at least 12 characters. Oh, I see. Then we need to put some 12 characters here. Wow, that is a new feature, strong one. So I'll just put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, and then 11, 12. Yeah. So and then install Joomla. Now it's running. Let's see. Now it's still running. All right, it's still running. Taking some time. Mhm. Let's just wait for this one. All right, now I can see it's almost done. See, it says now, congratulations. So we have finished our Joomla 4 installations, and you can add language if you want to add second language or third language. Let's try to open the site. Now it's loading here. Let's see. Finally. So this is our website that is made of Joomla 4. Now, the questions is how do you log into your admin? You can go to type just add administrator, backslash, and now we're here on admin. We can put the password that we have input earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and click login. this is the backend solution or backend dashboard for our Joomla. Now let's try to install a module. So what we can do uh, is we can go through our, we can click this one actually to add a module to install an extension. Oh no, that is not the one, that is a new feature. So normally we go through here, system, and then install, and then click extension. So we will try our extensions. We will try to change the background. So let's try to open up here first. This is our front end. As you can see, it's all white. So if you want to change the color of the background, you can code it actually, or you can code it using PHP. But if you want to add some extensions that we have made, so just browse the extensions, the file that we need to install, and we go through my documents, and we go to software. This one is a module, it's a background. Let's try to install this. So, alright, it says installation of module was successful. So then we can go to our home dashboard. Let's click this one, module, and this is the one that we have added. So we can click this one. So this is a module that allows us to change the color. So if you don't have any color or image to add, you can choose any color you want. Let's say red, that one, and let's hide the title, and let's can put the published, and the positions. This is the name of the template, the default template name. So I put it main on top, and then we can go to menu assignment. So I'll put it in all pages for now. And advanced module style, you can either change this or not, but in these presentations we just use HTML5. Then we can save this one. Then let's try to open up the front end. It says save successfully. So it should be this color red one. So let's open up the site. Now it was changed to red. Let's try to go back and let's add a picture. So once you add a picture, actually, this is the uh, primary. So let's just choose a sample data picture here with this template. Let's choose which one, maybe this with this image right here. Select. So you can delete this one, or you can just simply or click white for it and then save. It should be this image that we will see in the background of our front end Joomla website. Now it says save. Let's try to click, and now this is the background. It's quite pixelated because the image that we use is not the high resolutions. But if we have a high resolutions image, you can just upload it here and then publish it. The same what I did, save it, and then it will change the image. All right, so that's it. I hope you find it interesting, and if you have questions, just let us know. Bye for now, and thank you for watching.